Ito yung pinakamasama. Hindi ko alam. So, pupunta ako ng Thursday sa hospital. Saglit lang. Para akong mamamatay. Hindi ko alam. Tignan yung mata ko. Hey guys. I caught some flu. I had flu. It started yesterday. It's the worst feeling that you can feel. Guys, this is the worst flu I ever had. Binigyan ako ng tummy ng 7-Up kasi I was vomiting early. 3 times na yata ako nag-vomit. Then, sakit lang. Ito yung pinakamasama. Hindi ko alam. So, pumunta ako ng Thursday sa hospital sa isang account ko. And I came back later at night. I felt like I was sneezing and I felt na parang nagpo-burn up yung aking mata. Then yesterday, all day, saglit lang. Parang nag-fire up yung mata ko, guys. Yesterday all day, I work from home. So we was doing some e-learning. Dito lang ako sa bahay kahapon. And kagabi hindi ako makahinga masyado. And ngayon, sobrang lang ng nose ko. At uminom ako ng kape, uminom ako ng gamot. Pero guys, ibang klaseng flu to. Para akong mamamatay. Hindi ko alam. Tignan yung mata ko. Ang init ng mata ko guys at lumuluha. Hindi ko siya makontrol. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog masyado kasi I was catching up with, with myself, with everything, plus ang lamig. Para kang wala kang magagawa. Para wala kang ganang gumalaw. Then I was catching up with a lot of stuff back in the Philippines kasi nandun nga yung anak ko bumalik na sa Pilipinas. And ang dami mga bayarin, ang dami mga inaasikaso. Hindi ko na bitlag kasi, it's unnecessary. Pero guys, I just wanna share with you. Hindi pa ako, nagka-flu ako before pero hindi ganito, cold lang yata. Pero ito pinaka-worst ever na sakit na naranasan ko guys, parang kang mamamatay. Hindi ko alam ano gagawin. So, nilagyan ako ng humidifier na dami. Binigyan ako ng 7-Up kasi sabi niya it will help with my stomach. Hindi ako makakain. Ang hirap kumalaw. Para ako nalulusaw pagka tumayo. Wala akong energy. And this is Zoe ay pipick upin ng tatay ngayong araw na to. Which is a good thing. Si Tabi ang namalingke. Pinalhan kami ng bigas. Kasi it's very cold here starting yesterday. It's negative. Negative po yung temperature natin. Pero, guys, try to avoid getting sick. I'm not sure kung paano ko nakuha itong sakit na to. What I know, yung director ng hospital, 2 weeks ago, nagkasakit siya. Sabi niya, I had the flu. Then, 1 week after, si Jason, yung buyer ko, nagkasakit. Then, hindi siya pumasok ng 1 week. Then, I skipped for 1 week. And then, when he was back, I came. I think nakuha ko sa kanya to. But I'm not sure, guys. Kasi it's a hospital. Ang dami mga pasyente doon. It's prone for bacteria and viruses. I think hindi lang ako nakapag-prepare masyado. Ang sakit. Hindi masakit yung ulo ko, pero masakit yung katawan ko. Nagsusuka ka. masakit yung mata mo, parang mainit yung mata mo at lumuluha. Then, kahit anong linis ng ilong ko, hindi lumalabas yung clog kung ano. And, you felt lightheaded. Hindi ka makakain. Yan guys. I'll update you soon. Okay guys. Naligo po tayo para maganda yung ating pakiramdam. Actually, nilagay ako sa bathtub nila Zoe at Tommy. I soak myself. So, dali-dali tayo. I just finished my bath and I want to cook some chicken soup. So, dalian natin kasi baka mamaya sasama ulit ang pakiramdam. Hindi ko na rin kakayanin. Pero medyo nagkama po yung mata natin. And maglalagay ako ng lotion. Tsaka gawa na tayo ng chicken soup. Yung mukha natin namumula dahil sa sabon na ginamit ko. Yan. Pangit ng mukha natin. Tumatanda nga naman. Pero ito, nagfe-fade na yung ating nandito. Nagfe-fade na rin yung dyan. Oh. Pag tumatanda ka nga naman, ano.
Found that guy's last will and testament that nobody knew about in the family. So for privacy reasons,
It is cooked. Yan, kain tayo guys.
It doesn't have. Oh, here we go.
Does it go down the middle too?
Yum.
So Ronnie and I are spicing things up.
Tell me if it's
Today,
yummy.
9 down, I just parted the nightfall. Won my 100 baht back, so we're all square. Going to the tent. I have to stop
The
and
best
get some
chicken noodle
sleep.
soup I've ever had.
All the time. Kaya may second bowl.
Okay.
Guys, nakatapos natin kumain. Nag-toothbrush tayo. And I'm back to being dizzy. So, tingnan natin kung kakayanin natin hanggang mamayang gabi para matulog. So, Tommy is watching his show and it's so loud kaya nandito ako sa bathroom. But yes, that chicken soup really helps me a little bit. So, I took my medicine already. And we'll see kung ito ay tuloy-tuloy na. Ay, hindi ko po gusto yung nagkakasakit tayo. Yan guys.
I back up into the parking lot. I go to go forward, and I feel something, and like the shift goes, and I'm like, vroom, vroom, and I'm like, whoa, what's going on? So I try to move it into reverse, try to move it into drive. It's not moving anywhere. So naturally, I'm a guy, and I'm pretty mechanical anyways. So I'm like, okay, that's odd. I'm gonna check the transmission fluid, but I bring my cell phone with me, right? Because I don't bother when I live in the province. It doesn't really work here anyway, so I just leave it at home. And I was just running down the street, so I don't have a flashlight on me. So I don't think I can really complain too much about something small. So then as I'm carrying the food down the driveway, I see my wife. Of course, she gives me kind of...
It's like it's torturing my feet! Oh my god! Oh! Ay! That's painful though. Ow, 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 ow! Which part are you pressing? Ah! Ah! You're smiling. Ay, sakit! Ano ko? Ah! Ay, ko! Wow! Ow! Bella, help me! Ow! Aray ko. Okay guys, good night. Matutulog na ako para akong nalalanta ulit. Kanina okay lang ako pero ngayon hindi na naman. Yung para akong dinuduyan sa totoo. Yan, matulog na tayo. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.